All right, we're going to look at the wrist and hand ligaments. This is the palmar surface of the right hand. We have the palmar radio-ulnar ligament. We have the palmar ulnocarpal ligament going from the ulna to the carpals. There are two there. We have the palmar radiocarpal ligaments. There's actually 3 branches, and they have individual names based on their attachment from the radius to whatever specific carpal they attach to. For the scope of this class, we're just going to name all of those palmar radiocarpal. That's actually a tendon, so let's ignore him. Now we come up here and you can see palmar intercarpal ligaments are going to be going horizontally between the different carpals. This is also an intercarpal ligament, but this one has a specific name as it attaches the pisiform and the hook of the hamate. That is the pisohamate ligament. This one goes from the pisiform bone up to the 5th metacarpal, so that's the pisometacarpal ligament. And then you're going to see that transition in the ligaments going from the carpals to the metacarpals. All of these from a carpal to a metacarpal. So those are the palmar carpal metacarpals, and then up here you can see the palmar metacarpal ligaments that just connect the bases of the metacarpals. We have a lot of that repeated on the dorsal view. One of the additions, though, that you see on the dorsal view are the ulnar collateral or medial collateral and radial collateral or lateral collateral. Just because you can only see them on the dorsal side, that doesn't mean you name them medial or lateral based on the position of the hand dorsally. Remember, we have to flip it to anatomical position, so don't get confused. Thumb side, radius side, even though we're pronated. So take that to anatomical position, and that ligament's still going to be lateral, even though here we're looking at it on the medial side in reference to the body if my body was over here. Here we have the dorsal radiocarpal, dorsal ulnocarpals deep into here, dorsal intercarpal, dorsal carpometacarpal, all of these little guys going from the carpals to the metacarpals, and then the dorsal metacarpal ligaments. And those are the ligaments of the wrist and hand.